How the plan works to add however much fit bulk as could reasonably be expected over the course of the following 28 days, while additionally peeling off muscle versus fat. It's significant you followed this preparation plan as intently as could really be expected. It's been intended to burden your significant muscle gatherings, particularly your chest and back, to fundamentally change how you look shirtless. The 4-week plan is made up of 4 sessions a week, which you will ideally do on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. 1. Bench press. Lie on a flat bench, holding a barbell with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart using an overhand grip. Brace your core and press your feet into the ground, then lower the bar towards your chest. 2. Bent over row. Hold a barbell using a shoulder-width overhand grip, hands just outside your legs. Bend your knees slightly, then bend forwards, hinging from the hips and keeping your shoulder blades back. Pull the bar up towards your sternum, leading with your elbows, then lower it back to the start. Three. Chin up. Hold a chin-up bar using a shoulder-width underhand grip. Brace your core, then pull yourself up until your chin is higher than the bar, keeping your elbows tucked into your body. Lower until your arms are straight again. Four. Incline fly. Lie on an incline bench holding a dumbbell in each hand above your face, with your palms facing and a slight bend in your elbows. Lower them to the sides, then bring them back to the top. Five. Press up. Start in a press-up position but with your thumbs and index fingers touching. Keeping your hips up and core braced, bend your elbows to lower your chest towards the floor. Push down through your hands to return to the start. 6. Back squat. Stand tall with feet just wider than shoulder width apart, holding a barbell across the back of your shoulders. Keeping your chest up and core braced, squat down until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor. Drive back up through your heels to return to the start. Seven. Lateral raise. Stand tall, holding a light dumbbell in each hand by your sides, palms facing each other. Keeping your chest up, your core braced and a slight bend in your elbows, raise the weights out to shoulder height. Turn your thumbs down at the top, then lower them back to the start. Eight. Dumbbell overhead press. Sit on an upright bench holding a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height, palms facing forwards. Keeping your chest up, press the weights directly overhead until your arms are straight, then lower them back to the start. Nine. Dumbbell triceps extension. Stand tall holding a dumbbell in each hand over your head, arms straight. Keeping your chest up, core braced and elbows pointing up. Lower the weights behind your head, then return to the start. Ten. Dumbbell biceps curl. Hold dumbbells by your sides with straight arms, palms facing forwards. Keeping your chest up, core braced and elbows tucked into your sides, curl the weights up, squeezing your biceps as you go. Then lower them back to the start. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.